Yo, nation, what's going on, man? Back up in here with another one of them things. Y'all already know what to do, man. Go on like the video before you even watch it, because it's in small screen when you first click on the video. Go ahead and hit the like button, man. Just go and get it out the way. Just get it out the way, bro. Like, it's okay. It's okay to like the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think a lot of y'all think that it's not okay to like videos. Like, it's okay to like a video. You know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna work. It's okay to like a video. Okay? But anyway, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that right there. I don't do that before the video gets started, before I get into my topic for today. Because I got something to talk about. And before I get to talking about this, well, I ain't even got to say this because y'all know me already. Most of y'all know me. If you're new to the channel, you're going to find out. But I stumbled across a video yesterday, right? And I didn't even know that this person, you know what I'm saying, did YouTube videos or whatnot. I didn't know. I don't know if this person is fairly new to YouTube, because he has less subscribers than me, I think. Yeah, he has less subscribers than me. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if he's fairly new, but his views and everything like that is through the roof. And I watched the video because he a cool dude. I ain't gonna say no names because I don't want to get into all that. But he a cool dude. You know what I'm saying? From what I see, you know what I'm saying, on the internet. I've never met him in person. He a cool dude or whatnot. I ain't saying that he shouldn't have the views. You know what I'm saying? But, well, I ain't gonna say but. I ain't saying that he shouldn't have the views. What I am saying is, maybe I need to get around people that's, like, got a name, you know what I'm saying, real deal out here, like, doing numbers, you know what I'm saying, real deal got some stuff. Is that an electric Cherokee? Yep. That's an electric Cherokee. Real deal out here doing numbers, you know what I'm saying, you know, traveling, blah, 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 blah. But see, that was what I was trying not to do. I didn't want to be around nobody just because of, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to be around nobody. Look at this junk. Electric Jeep. I thought she hit something. It's an electric. You got a gas port on the, a charge port on the front of it. It said 4xe, 4x electric. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't finna get around nobody just because of their status. Like, that ain't even me. You know what I'm saying? I do this shit on my own before I do some shit like that. Like, that don't sit well with me. But I ain't said that's not the that's not what I'm saying that he doing, because he got his own, you know what I'm saying? Like, he got his own thing going on. And I feel that. You know what I'm saying? You can see he got his own thing going on. Like, he ain't got to do YouTube for sure. Like, he was doing good before he even got to YouTube. Like, YouTube is another avenue for him. But what I'm saying is, like, the content that I make and the content that I watch from him, and I watched 2 videos. I watched 2 videos from him. That content ain't nothing like what I'm putting out. Like, nothing. Like, it's not terrible content, but it's not nothing like what I be putting out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I evaluated that. I ain't hating, because I'm going to watch some more of his videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to watch some more of his videos. But what I'm saying is, like, I think, I don't know, man. I don't know if people, like, really pick and choose, like, you know what I'm saying, what they want to watch or who they want to watch or what. But I was just looking at his content. I was like, it's cool, but it wasn't nothing that made me be like, oh man, I gotta subscribe and watch every video. Like, I'm gonna hit the bell, so every video he come out with, I'm gonna make sure that it pop up on my screen so I can watch it. Like, it wasn't nothing like that. It wasn't nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, and that was just all 2 videos. I mean, I'm sure it probably gets better with, you know what I'm saying, with the more videos I watch. He probably, you know what I'm saying. But these were pretty recent videos, so it wasn't like these were no old videos. Like, these was like pretty recent, like the last month or so, last weeks or so. So I was like, alright, like, what's up with that? But like I said, you know what I'm saying, people get where they are sometimes by the people they hang around. And I'm just not that type of dude. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna make my videos, and you know what I'm saying, if I can't come up, you know what I'm saying, with the views and all this stuff, you know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying, other guys, then shit, I guess I just won't. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't crying about it. I ain't worried about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do this more so because I want the, you know what I'm saying, I want to, once this is all over with for me in my life, I want people to be able to go back and look at these videos like, man, this is what kind of person Belo was for the most part. Because, you know, people don't put everything, their whole life on these social media sites. But I want, you know what I'm saying, you know, my kids, you know what I'm saying, or if there's ever a point when I have grandkids, I want them to be able to look back like, yeah, this right here, your granddaddy right here. Like, this is what he did, this is the stuff he did, blah, blah, blah. And I'm cool with it. You know what I'm saying? It's more so of a memory thing to me. If I get something else out of it, man, that's cool. That's perfect. That's fine. I'm not gonna decline it. I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying, resort away from it. I'm not gonna say, no, don't do me like that. This right here is what I wanna do. No, I'm not gonna say that. But what I'm saying is, you know what I'm saying, like, I've been going this long with it like this. Do I want improvement? Hell yeah. Everybody should want improvement in life. I do. I want improvement. I want to see some improvement from this shit. But, I mean, maybe a lot of it could be, you know what I'm saying, on my part. Like, a lot of it could be like, shit, you ain't applying yourself a certain way. You know what I'm saying? So, I just got to soul search and see what it is that I'm not doing. But, other than that, like, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? So, I wanted to come on here and say that. But, yeah, man, your dog is out here dashing. Finna get us a couple dollars right fast. And, yeah. Should've went and got me some breakfast, but I came straight and got to it, so. It's kind of gloomy out. Yeah, I seen it's been raining and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's go ahead and, get our dash day started. I'm finna head down on the other end. Ain't nothing going on down here. I've been sitting here too long. I done sit here and made a 9.5 minute video and ain't nothing popped across my phone. Well, nothing that I wanted. So let's go ahead, go on down on my side, and let's get us a couple dollars, man. Yeah, I see what's going on, man. We in the cockpit. I mean, I've been seeing these folk, man, been doing these steering wheels. I seen a couple people been doing these steering wheels, man. They been making them half wheels. I wonder, should I do that? Make that on a half wheel. I don't wanna. Yeah, I can cut it. If I could, I can cut it. Start right here. I'll wait till this one, and then just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? 10 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, it's 10 on there. So cut 5 of them off. And leave it just at the bottom. Look at it, man. It's dirt all on there. I gotta take this off. This might be my next video right here. Taking this off. You know what I'm saying? Exposing the regular black. You know what I'm saying? The regular black. Cause this really was a rush job. Like, I did this in like a matter of minutes and just put it on there, which is why the glue was on the steering wheel itself. But yeah. No battery. Yeah, man, but man, I feel good sitting in here. Feel good sitting in the cockpit of MayRose, man. So I definitely gotta get her back in order. ASAP. Feel good sitting here. Man, I wish we didn't have to part. You know what I'm saying? I wish we didn't have to part and she broke down on me and all that. But it was probably for the better, man, because, you know what I'm saying, you gotta get all these kinks out. Like, I did all the riding and all the good stuff like that right there, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Now it's time to get more serious and get this thing, get it into a finely tuned machine. So we ain't gotta worry about the breakdowns. Well, we still gotta worry about the breakdowns, because I don't give a damn what you do to this motherfucker. It's still gonna goddamn break down. I don't give a fuck what you do. But it'll be in better shape. She'll be in better shape, man. You know what I'm saying? Less stuff that she had to worry about, or we had to worry about. So yeah, man, I'm excited to get back to it. Like I said, I hollered at Jazz. You know I gotta get the dash done. Hollered at Jazz, man. So we gonna try to do the back deck first, then come back to the dash. And then I gotta do all of the other things that I have to do, man, to get her ready for the upcoming season. And we gotta do stuff with the Jeep and all that good stuff right there, man. So yeah. Man, I don't think y'all understand. Like, I really, really, really appreciate y'all being here, man. Man, the car's so dirty. It's crazy. But I really, really appreciate y'all being here. Really appreciate y'all tuning in with me, man. And you know what I'm saying? Just all of y'all support. All of y'all support, man. I really appreciate that. So with that being said, it's your dog. You know what I'm saying? Big Belo, Mr. Animal himself. And yeah, catch y'all in the next one, man.